Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open this morning's webinar, the Australian dollar is once again attempting to take on that challenge of that 77 handle. As you can see here, the market rebounded firmly off the 76.20 support. However, it should be noted that above 77, the market only sustained once, as you can see here, and all the other times it was rejected clearly. I do expect to see this level to remain as a supply zone and look back towards the immediate support of 76.45 and then towards that 75.90-95 support level. Now a break beneath there, should see further weakness and take on the challenge back down towards the low 74 region. With the dollar index still remaining above that 99 point is the fact that we're still looking for the euro to be capped around that 108.50 level. While we see that resistance hold around 108.20.50, then I expect to see further weakness with immediate support coming in at 107.05.20. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and look towards a 106.45 to a 105.70.85 target. Dollar yen still trying to attempt to move lower, but however the 112 handle still holds. For this week, while we remain above 111.90, then I expect to see further bullish outcome for the dollar yen and look up towards 113.15.25 and higher towards 113.85.95 and reassess from there. The sterling, since posting an outside range day, the focus has remained on 124.20. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and look back towards that 121 region. Resistance comes in now at 125.40.50 and 126.05.15 above. Gold's attempt to rally still remains capped around that 12.22 to 26 resistance. Although we did see a firmer open, the market is dropping away and I do expect to see the prices come back towards that 12.17 support. Now beneath there we'll give further exposure to the downside and give an objective of 12.05.07. And to wrap up with oil, no real change, still remaining underneath 54.60, and while intact I expect to see a move to the downside. But one thing to note though is the fact that the market has technically regained its momentum a little bit, so be careful for those that are short, as a break above there will give a target of $55 to $60 as an objective. But while intact, as I say, we'll still look towards that 49.60 target. So that caps up my intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always look out for the report that will be released very shortly.